we're going to reconsider the decision that was made by the government of Kenya 20 years ago or thereabout, not to provide a budget line for the Kenya Redcross. And beginning this year, we will reinstate budgetary support by the government of Kenya to the Kenya Redcross, beginning with Kenya shillings 100 million this year. We will continue to work with the Kenya Redcross to look at their financial position. Again, we are going to prepare a law to be presented to Parliament to exempt Kenya Red Cross from government levies and some taxes, so that being a government agency, even though performing auxiliary functions, I think Kenya Red Cross qualifies as a government agency established by law, and therefore they deserve relief for them to be able to perform their functions appropriately.